Thinking about moving to the UK for work? What do you need to know about the Skilled Worker Visa in 2024? The UK Skilled Worker Visa is a vital pathway for international talent to contribute to the UK's economy and workforce. In 2024, this visa remains a popular option for individuals from around the world seeking to live and work in the UK. As a potential immigrant, understanding the Skilled Worker Visa is crucial to achieving your goals. With its introduction in 2020, the Skilled Worker Visa replaced the Tier 2 General Visa, offering a more streamlined and efficient application process. However, despite its relevance, many individuals still struggle to navigate the complexities of the visa system. In today's video, we'll delve into the world of the UK Skilled Worker Visa, exploring its purpose, requirements, and application process. Whether you're a budding entrepreneur, a skilled professional, or simply someone looking for a fresh start, this video aims to provide you with the essential knowledge you need to succeed. Many individuals seeking to navigate the visa application process often face numerous challenges, from language barriers to complex documentation requirements. It's not uncommon for applicants to feel overwhelmed, frustrated, and even misled by misinformation or misconceptions surrounding the visa process. One common misconception is that the Skilled Worker Visa is only available for highly skilled professionals, such as doctors or engineers. While these occupations do qualify, the visa is actually open to a much broader range of skilled workers, including IT professionals, artists, and even chefs. Another misconception is that the visa is only available for full-time jobs. However, this isn't the case. Applicants can also apply for part-time and contract work, as long as the employer meets the required salary threshold. Some individuals believe that the visa application process is solely the responsibility of the employer. While employers do play a crucial role, applicants also have obligations to fulfill, including meeting the required language proficiency and maintaining sufficient financial resources. Misconceptions about the visa's duration are also widespread. Many think that the Skilled Worker Visa is only valid for a short period, but in reality, it can be granted for up to 5 years, with the option to extend or switch to other visa types. Language proficiency is another area of confusion, with some applicants thinking they need to be fluent in English. While a certain level of English proficiency is required, there are varying levels of language skills accepted, depending on the job role and employer. The application process itself is often shrouded in mystery, with many wondering about the role of the UK's Immigration Skills Charge, or how to navigate the sponsorship process. Furthermore, some individuals are unsure about the differences between the Skilled Worker Visa and other visa types, such as the Intracompany Transfer Visa or the Youth Mobility Scheme. To make matters more complex, the UK's immigration rules and policies are subject to change, leaving applicants uncertain about the future of the visa system. Despite these challenges, the Skilled Worker Visa remains a vital pathway for individuals seeking to contribute to the UK's economy and workforce. So, what are the key requirements for the Skilled Worker Visa? To be eligible, you'll need to meet certain criteria, including having a job offer from a UK employer that's been approved by the UK Visa and Immigration Department. Your employer must also meet certain requirements, such as paying you a minimum salary threshold, which currently stands at £25,600 per year, or the going rate for your job, whichever is higher. You'll also need to demonstrate a certain level of English language proficiency, which can be evidenced through various means, such as passing an approved language test or holding a degree taught in English. In addition to these requirements, you'll need to provide documentation, such as your passport, birth certificate, and proof of qualifications. The application process typically begins with your employer applying for a sponsorship license, which enables them to sponsor your visa application. Once your employer has obtained the license, they'll need to assign a certificate of sponsorship to you, which you'll use to submit your visa application. You'll then need to apply for your visa online, providing the required documentation and biometric information. After submitting your application, you'll need to wait for a decision from the UK Visa and Immigration Department. If successful, you'll receive your visa, which will enable you to live and work in the UK. It's worth noting that the application process can take several weeks, so it's essential to plan ahead and apply in good time. One of the most common questions we receive is, how long does it take to get a job offer? The answer varies, as it depends on your skills, experience, and employer. We've had cases where our clients have received job offers within weeks, while others have taken months. The key to success lies in identifying the right employer, tailoring your application, and meeting the required skills and qualifications. Let me share a personal success story that illustrates the impact of the Skilled Worker Visa. Meet Sarah, a highly skilled software engineer from India who had always dreamed of working in the UK. After months of searching, Sarah landed a job offer from a leading tech firm in London. With our guidance, she successfully applied for the skilled worker visa and began her new life in the UK. Today, Sarah is thriving in her role and has even started her own side business, creating opportunities for other international talent to follow in her footsteps. The skilled worker visa has had a profound impact on Sarah's life, enabling her to pursue her passions, build a new network, and contribute to the UK's thriving tech industry. As we summarize the key points covered in this video, it's essential to remember that the UK skilled worker visa is a complex and nuanced topic, requiring careful consideration and attention to detail. Understanding the visa's purpose, requirements, and application process is crucial to achieving your goals and realizing your dreams of living and working in the UK. If you're considering applying for the skilled worker visa, we encourage you to ask your questions in the comments below. Don't forget to check out our related videos on immigration tips and experiences. We've got a wealth of knowledge to share with you.